Hi there, and welcome back. In this quick JavaScript lesson, we learn how to convert radians into degrees. This is especially handy when dealing with trigonometry, canvas graphics, or any angle-based calculations. Let's go ahead and explore the math and code behind it. Our task is simple. We take a value in radians and turn it into degrees. We'll apply the universal formula for the conversion, multiply the radian value by 180, and then divide by pi. This gives us the degree equivalent of the angle. Let's write this one out in code next. Here's the function in action. We first store pi using mathpy, then multiply our radians by 180 divided by pi, the which is the official conversion formula. And just like that, our angle is now in degrees. Let's break down how this formula actually works. This formula is the reverse of converting degrees to radians. We're scaling our radian input based on how many degrees fit in a full circle. 180 degrees over pi radians. This formula works for any angle you pass in. Let's try a few more examples together. Check out these examples. Then I confirm our formula is spot on. A radian value of approximately 0.785 maps exactly to 45 degrees, and so on. We verified the conversion is accurate, even for full circle. Now, let's take a look at whether this applies in real projects. You'll need to convert radians to degrees in a lot of real world projects, from game development to creating spinning animations or even chart visualizations. It's also a must have if you're displaying angles in a more user friendly way. Let's wrap this up with a quick summary. And that's how you convert radians into degrees in JavaScript. We've used a simple formula and built a clean and reusable function. It's fast, accurate, and useful in any JavaScript project involving angles. Thanks for thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.